Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you that what are inclined plane. An inclined plane or ramp is an example of a simple machine. It reduces the amount of effort requires by increasing the work's distance. You can think about pushing a really heavy box into a back of a truck. With a ramp, what you can do? You can roll the box into the truck. The box end up at the same height, so the same amount of work is accomplished. However, because you pushed the box across a greater distance, less effort was required at the given time. The longer the inclined plane, the less force required to raise the object of the same distance. So this is inclined plane. Thank you for watching our channel. I will be putting more and more definitions of physics, chemistry and bio, which will be really helpful for you in IB as well as in science. Bye bye. Have a nice day.